I still get the thrill every day of cutting through a terrine, cutting through a capicolo, seeing that cross section for the first time, and then the best part, tasting it. Chefs are really naturally inquisitive and they want to learn, and it was all in front of me and I just fell in love. I'm Mick Nunn from Salt Kitchen here in Ballarat. Today I'm going to show you how to elevate your charcuterie board with the Matador Charcoal BBQ. First things first, let's get our barbecue started. All right, so just some basic fire lighters, and then build your little kindling teepee if you like. Always make sure you wear gloves when you're lighting a fire. Obviously safety first, you don't want to go burning yourself, and these are great. So that's lit, flames are coming up. We want the embers to come down so that we don't have any flames licking up so we can start doing our dish. Using the charcoal grill gives us that additional layer of flavour and complexity to the accompaniments that we're putting with our charcuterie. We're going to grill some of our nitrite-free bacon over these coals, and then we're going to make a sauce grabiche, and we're going to serve it on top of our streaky bacon on some beautiful sourdough. So we're going to cut some thick cut, so probably about 1 centimetre thick, almost like you're cutting steaks, you know. So, sauce grabiche, similar flavours to what you would have in a tartare. If you've got your charcoal barbecue, because we're going to put our boiled eggs in it, it's almost a great little variation on a bacon and egg dish. And the smell, like that smell is, you know, that's barbecuing. Cooking over charcoal is on another level. Gas is fine, but cooking over charcoal, that's what you really want. So I want to speed these embers up a little bit. A great little feature on this is that you can open the dampers at the bottom and allow more oxygen to come up underneath the fire. A little bit of sea salt, not too much. You've got your cornichons in there and your capers, they're salty anyway. Twist of black pepper. So the next thing we're going to do is a char-grilled Savoy cabbage heart. It's a bit of a play on a Reuben sandwich. So we've got our cabbage heart here. We're also going to team that up with some Comté, so a really nice Gruyere, and I've also got some kimchi powder here. So it's just dried kimchi that's been put into a dehydrator and then blended up into a powder, and we're going to finish that across the top at the end. So I've prepared some in a vac bag earlier. They've been sealed in a vac bag and then they've been cooked in a boiling pot of water for about 20 minutes. So we're just going to go straight on top of our grill here. Really, we're just trying to get that colour on them. Turn them over, get the additional colour, and then we're ready to finish. That lick of the flame and that charcoal flavour that you're going to get from this barbecue just adds a little bit more complexity and another interesting element to something that is very traditional. We're just trying to elevate it a little bit. You can stand around this, talk, eat, drink, and it's just a comfortable feeling, I think, isn't it? Right, now it's time to finish. We're just going to take some new seasoned asparagus. We're going to grill it across the charcoal. And then as soon as it hits the board, while it's still hot, we're going to drape our guanciale. Our guanciale is really high in fat, and as it hits that asparagus, it'll literally disappear. So there it is. We've elevated charcuterie and our board to the next level, I think. I mean, I can't wait to eat this. It looks amazing. Hopefully you can see that you can take charcuterie products to another level, use them with hot elements, the kiss of the fire, charcoal flavours, and add additional layers of flavour to the next board that you put together.